Hi there, sharp readers. Welcome back to another video. I hope that you are all still healthy and safe. Today's video is going to be a little different. I am going to read you a story. But with the story, we are going to learn some new things about reading and book caring. Taking care of your books is like taking care of yourself. It's very important to take care of your books. Let's jump right in. The book that we are going to read today is Bees Like Flowers. First things first. When my book is in front of me, I always start from the left top corner and read from left to right, and from the top to the bottom. Let's look at our front cover. The picture. When we see our front cover, there's usually always a picture. When we look at the picture, we can guess or predict what is going to happen in the story. Can you guess what will happen in the story by looking at the picture? Next, the title. A title is just a fancy word for the name of the story. Can you guess what the name of the story is? Yes, Bees Like Flowers. That is the name or the title of the story that we are going to read. The writer and illustrator. On the front cover of a book, there is someone's name. On this front cover, it is Rebecca Belowski. Rebecca Belowski was the writer, that means she wrote the story, and the illustrator. An illustrator is someone who draws pictures for storybooks. Before we start reading, we always open our book from the right-hand side and only turning one page. Let's open our book. On the first page, it's only a few other information. The real story begins on the next page. But remember, we always start from the left top corner, reading from left to right and from the top to the bottom on each page. We start from the left top corner and we read from left to right and top to bottom. So, I am going to start with the word bees and end with me. Let's start our story. Bees like flowers. Look, a buzzy bee. Sometimes they sting people, but they never sting me. You see, she's got a fluffy body, but don't touch her, 'cause she might get you with her stinger, 'cause you've given her a fright. I don't bother them. They are working. I just watch them do their thing. They walk around on flowers and stick their little faces in. Bees like flowers that are growing in the ground. Bright colors bring them closer and keep them buzzing around. Bees like flowers and the nectar that's so sweet. But when they fly away, something sticks onto their feet. It's pollen and it's yellow. Look, it's sticking to the bee. She takes it to another flower or the blossoms of a tree. So, flowers like bees too. Thank you, bees, they say. They help to spread the pollen and make new flowers far away. This is called a beehive. The bees call it their home. The queen lays her eggs in there, inside the honeycomb. Bees use nectar to make honey in a hive. They feed it to the babies when they finally arrive. Yummy, runny honey made by our friends the bees. They might give you a little bit if you would just say please. So, that's why bees like flowers, and that's why I like bees. The end of our story. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, take care of yourself, take care of others, and take care of your books. Until next time.